Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can sign up for Aliexpress's affiliate program. So to start with, you first want to come onto Google and you just want to type in the search bar Aliexpress affiliate program. Go ahead and click search, and the first non-sponsored link, which is this one, click on that and you'll be taken to the Aliexpress affiliate portal. So as you can see here, promote, earn and grow with the Aliexpress affiliate program. Earn commission from your orders you bring to Aliexpress by joining the affiliate program. And here's some of their figures: 150 million plus affiliated products as of 2022, up to 9% basic commission rate, which isn't too bad, and 200 plus supported countries and regions. So this could be a really good way to get some commission and earn some extra money if you already have a platform to promote this sort of stuff. So to start earning, you just want to click this button here. Once you click on that, it will ask you to make an account if you don't have one already. If you do already have one, just go ahead and log in. And then from there, you'll have to just fill out a few bits of information about yourself, like standard bits of information. And you're also going to tell them where the traffic is going to come from. So ideally with affiliate marketing, you want to already have some sort of blog or YouTube channel, a place which will drive traffic. So input that, and then the Aliexpress team can have a look at it and then make sure it is the right thing for you and also them. And if your stuff seems good to Aliexpress, then they will go ahead and accept you into the program and you can start earning up to 9% basic commission. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to sign up for Aliexpress's affiliate program. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.